Hi there, Mary Langwish here with another FGI art tutorial, here to inspire you on your artistic journey. And today I wanted to do some charcoal because I got some requests for trying out some different charcoal techniques. So we're going to do a portrait in charcoal together. But before we start, I want to just show you the different options for charcoal materials. This is vine charcoal. It's light, it's usually made in a stick form like this, and its markings tend to be a lot lighter and finer. We also have compressed charcoal, which is usually darker, but it's a lot harder, and it comes in blocks normally like this, and so you can get really sharp edges that you can create sharp lines with. There's always charcoal pencils as well, which gives you a little bit more control over the lines that you make. Its consistency is very similar to compressed charcoal. And then charcoal sometimes comes in a variety of colors, and so I'm also going to use white charcoal today to help out with some highlights and things along the way. So let's get started. I'm going to actually start with the vine charcoal, and you can kind of use a combination of these different charcoals together. And we're going to lay out where the head is going to go. And this charcoal's pretty forgiving because it is pretty light, and so let's actually give ourselves the basic shape for the outer head and then chin. We'll shape it correctly. Eyes are always in the middle of the whole head, so if I'm measuring that line, I need to make sure it's actually in the middle of the entire head and not just the face, because on the face it might appear higher. Once I have the basic outline for features and things that are necessary, shapes and placement, then I can go in and start to block in some value. Blocking in value is a really good place to start because then you know where things are going to go. I'm going to actually use just a small brush that I don't normally use for painting. I'm just going to kind of brush over and smooth out some of this value. You can use your finger, but I just want to give it a little bit of a blend. I'll use my finger as well. And I want to start building up that value even darker. So going back in and finding areas that are even darker and just slowly building that up. Still using the vine charcoal at this point. doing blending again to soften all of those and bring them to that next level. Now I'm going to go in with a compressed charcoal to darken my values. You can use a kneaded eraser to lift some of the charcoal. However, it does stain the paper a little bit quicker than graphite would, so you have to kind of be a little careful when putting charcoal down. Now going in with the white charcoal, I can put in highlights to eyes and shape things that might have otherwise gotten a little misshapen or unable to erase. And there you have it, a portrait in charcoal. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to get more art content like this. Until next time, have fun. Bye.